In the fourth unit, we have the three topics are there. Once again, I am going to repeat. We have the three topics are there. One is a gradient, divergence, and the curve. Among these three topics are very important. Okay, and these three topics are involving the defector differential operator, and we are going to find the some quantities of scalar point function and vector point function using the del operator. Okay, now the first topic is the gradient. What is the gradient? Gradient of scalar point function. Gradient of scalar point function. Pi is the scalar point function. So that is denoted by del pi. Del pi equals to I cap dou pi by dou x plus j cap dou pi by dou y plus k cap dou pi by dou z. Simply we can write grad pi. In the given gradient, one of the topic is a directional derivative is important. Okay. Now write the question. Just to see this question, we are going to find the directional derivative. Right? Right. Now find the directional derivative dd of f of x comma y comma z equals to xy square plus yz cube at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 in the direction of vector. In the direction of vector I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Is it clear now? Hello?
Yes.
Now, see. First of all, what is the formula of the directional derivative? Listen, the directional derivative that is equals to E cap dot del F. E cap dot del F. Okay, so what is E cap? E cap is a unit vector. Unit vector. That means what? E cap can be written as here A bar by modulus of A bar dot del F. Okay, what is the directional derivative formula? A bar by modulus of A bar dot del F. Is it clear? What is A bar? In the direction of the vector. In which direction? That vector is the A bar. Okay, I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. That is A bar. Immediately, what is E cap? E cap equals to A bar divided by modulus of A bar. That means A bar by modulus of A bar. So that is nothing but E cap. Dot del F. What is del here? Operator. F is the given vector point function. This one xy square plus yz cube is the vector point function. Now we are going to find the directional derivative of the vector point function in the direction of I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. See, this is the formula. Is it clear? Now, listen. I'm going to solve this problem. How to solve means we have to write the given data. Okay, first of all. So, given f bar is the vector point function xy square plus yz cube. So this is equation number 1. Okay. Now in the direction of which vector? This is the vector here. In the given, A bar equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Okay? Now, immediately you are going to find modulus of A bar. What is the formula of modulus of A bar? Under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, now show that under root of I cap coefficient 1 whole square, j cap coefficient 2 whole square, k cap coefficient again 2 whole square. Modulus of A bar equals to under root of 4 plus 4 plus 1, 5. So modulus of A bar equals to root 5. Is it right, all of you? Completed. Now the part of what?
Root 9 వస్తుంది 5 కాదు
4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So root 9 equals to 3. Very good. Okay, completed. Now the part of E cap. Therefore, E cap equals to A bar by modulus of A bar. So that E cap equals to A bar is this one. I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap by modulus of A bar is the 3. So this is the second equation. Now this one completed. Next, we are going to find the del f. Right? Now, del f. So del is already defined function. I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z of f. What is f here? X to y square plus yz cube. Okay. Now I cap dot dou by dou x of xy square plus yz cube. Okay. Each and every term we have to differentiating of this function with respect to the x in the first summation, plus with respect to the y we are going to differentiate, plus k cap dot with respect to the z we are going to differentiate. Is it clear? Now see, dou by dou x of xy square plus yz cube with respect to the x, y and z cube completely constant derivative is the 0. Remaining we are going to differentiating this. X differentiating is the 1, y square is a constant. So that what we have to write here? I cap. X differentiating is the 1, remaining y square plus. Okay, next j cap. Dou by of xy square plus yz cube. See, two terms having the y variable is there. So x is the constant, y square differentiating is the 2y into x, 2xy plus y differentiating is the 1, z cube is a constant, right? Plus, that is visible? Okay, next, k cap dot dou by dou z of this function. X, y square, 2 are the constant derivative is a 0. While z cube differentiating with respect to the z, y is the constant, z cube differentiating is 3z square. Okay, now? So that k cap of 3yz square. Clear? Now, del f. Once again, I am going to write here y square I cap plus 2xy plus z cube j cap plus 3yz square k cap. So this is equation number 3. Del f completed. Is it right? Now, use the directional derivative formula. Now, the directional derivative. Here, capital B. So that is equals to E cap dot del f. Right? So that is equals to E cap So that is equation number 2. Just going to substitute here I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap by 3 dot del f. So this is what del f here, y square I cap plus 2xy plus z cube j cap plus 3y z square k cap. By the simplification, we are going to find the directional derivative. First, write down this. I'm going to rub this part. The dot product of two vector point function is a scalar point function. The dot product of two vector point function is a scalar point function. Is it right? Okay. Shall I rub this? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, here the directional derivative that is equals to I cap dot I cap is a 1. Coefficient of I cap is 1. 1 into y square is y square plus j cap dot j cap. Corresponding coefficients we have to multiply. Corresponding coefficients we are going to multiply. 2 into 2xy plus z cube. 2xy plus z cube plus k cap dot k cap is a 1. 2 into again 2 into 3y z square, right, by 3. Okay, here by 3. Now which is the directional derivative? But the directional derivative at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. Okay, now we are going to find 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. So x value 2, y value minus 1, z value equals to 1. Just we are going to substitute in the directional derivative. Okay, now so y square. So 1 by 3 is a constant taken outside here. Y square minus 1 whole square, that is a 1, plus 2 into 2xy. 2 into 2, 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4, plus z cube is the 1, plus 2 into 3yz square. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 into 1 again minus 3 this one. Okay, so that directional derivative at the point of 2 minus 1, 1, so that is equals to 1 by 3 into minus 6, 1 minus 3 into plus 2, minus 6, and here also minus 6. So what is the value? Minus 12, minus 11 by 3. Is it clear? Any mistake? Hello, ma. What is the directional derivative? Minus 11 by 3. Okay? I hope all are understand ma here. Any doubts?
No.